We're gonna get all your guys' voices in.
I can't wait until the finale.
Same.
That was cool. I can't wait until the finale.
I can't even see anything.
-1. These are bottle rockets, though.
There, I got it.
Boom. They get big rockets.
I was trying to put my blanket.
They'll do rockets. Oh, these are the rockets.
I'm gonna have mosquitoes all bugs all in my face.
Rocket. They got bigger ones.
They will get big.
Are they going to really shoot the moon?
Good at that.
Whoa, we don't need any bigger people over here.
I'm gonna punch you next time you say that. Someone watch.
I will.
Matthew. Here comes.
I'll watch him.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to
Dude, these are like so cool.
I know they blast them off all at the same time. Kind of.
That was pretty.
The little or the biggest? That was lame. That's lame.
Darren.
Frowning face.
No, Matthew was on his way over here and he wasn't supposed to.
Big one.
I'm a ninja.
You realize I'm recording.
So, you realize I'm recording.
He's recording too.
So
I've been recording.
Hey, Matthew.
Hi, Matthew.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Well, I can hear vibration back there.
It's okay.
Do you want off?
It's all good.
Do you have bug spray on, though?
It's been 1 minute and 50 seconds. 2 minutes, pretty much.
Did you get that one? Ew.
Yep.
That was lame.
Darren knocked off.
What it was.
I do that.
Are you a happy little guy?
Lame.
Darren.
He likes his fireworks.
That's my
Matthew,
phone.
keep
That's
it
my
on.
phone.
Keep it on.
That's my
Lame.
Keep it on. Keep your sweatshirt on.
Loud.
Alright, you gotta keep it on.
It's loud. It's big. It's loud.
Okay.
Boo!
No, it's mine.
Oh, boo.
Boo.
You're not even chill here if they'll hear this.
They'll get huge.
I know, probably.
Boo.
It's,
Hopefully you
know.
do.
Are you getting this? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's boo. That's boo.
Darren.
Big one.
Darren, knock it off.
They're good. Bigger. That's the bigger. No,
I'm gonna stand
they'll
up
get
and
it. They'll get bigger than that. I know.
really
They got
cool.
these from North Dakota.
South Dakota.
South.
South Dakota.
We don't go to North Dakota.
Why?
They suck.
Their fireworks suck. I will admit, their fireworks do suck. No, they
Our
don't.
fireworks suck even more.
I'm
Yeah.
Alex.
And
He's our new foster kid.
Hi, Alex.
What's his name?
So,
Him?
yeah. Oh, this one?
That's Andrew.
That's Andrew. That's Callie's brother.
Who's Callie?
Right here.
Right here.
Where you guys at?
Our neighbors.
I'm at Holly's.
Oh,
Where are you going, Matthew?
by the way, there's
We're going to do
there's
some
like
big ones tomorrow.
Are they done?
I'm gonna sit by you.
No. They're not done.
Let's watch.
Should I put my legs out?
Oh.
If you want to.
Crying or laughing?
Crying.
Are you
There.
laughing?
Now am I supposed to scoot back?
Yes.
Okay.
There.
they should cut that tree down.
No, they
Right?
they line down. Like literally, if they start
Or,
from the back.
oh, sorry.
it's
That was me.
Whoa!
Darren.
no.
That's
Here.
Oh, that's cool! That's cool!
you call fun.
Cold.
I'm gonna
Or
take.
I have ice water.
Water spilled on
I'm
my
gonna
leg.
tickle you.
Somebody spilled it.
Thought you said it was cool.
Hey, you want some lemon wine?
You drink it. You wanted it.
That kid's crazy.
I hate folk.
Same.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
Oh,
It doesn't see you
Let
recording.
back down.
because I'm still recording.
Come on, you
Oh.
can do it. Do another one.
Just watch out for my water.
They're walking back to it.
Do it. Come on. You can do it.
You would get pummeled.
To get more.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Pause it.
Thing, bro.
Okay.